Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. After completing the 20 lecture of Azure DevOps, you can earn up to 150 per hour. In this channel, you will get the technical DevOps training for the Azure DevOps and AWS. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this URL at the rate of DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In this channel, the special feature are video prepared by senior DevOps engineer, free technical discussion, easy content and step-by-step explanation. As all the video are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In lecture number 7, we shall discuss the merging between the branches. What is the purpose of the merging? By doing the merging from one branch to another branch, we shall migrate the files in the other branch so that the code reflected in the second branch. In our previous lecture, we have created the two branches. One is dev branch and other is QA branch. In order to check the number of branches in the Azure DevOps, click on the branches link as you can see on the screen. After that, now we have add one file hello.html in the dev branch. In the dev branch, we have added one file named hello.html. In order to merge the file into another branch like QA, we have to switch our branch to QA. Like you can see that we are now switched to the QA branch at this lower position. Switch the branch QA in the View Studio. That you can see that we are at our QA branch and still we have not get the file from the dev branch. We shall get it after merging from dev to QA. In order to merge from dev to QA, first of all in the View Studio we shall go to the Git link and after that we shall click the manage branches. When we click on the manage branches, we shall get the interface like this interface. We have two branches, one is dev and other is QA. QA is bold, it means that we are at QA branch right now. And the other ones, the remote region means the branches on the server. There are two branches on the server, one is dev and other is QA. So, in order to, now we shall right click on the dev branch. One thing should be considered when we are doing merging from dev to QA, then QA branch should be the current branch. When we click on the dev branch, we shall get this merge dev into QA. When we right click on the dev branch, we shall get the different options. One of them is merge dev into QA. When we click on this option, the merging option will appear. Like press the merge button for merging from dev to QA. This will merge the dev changes into QA changes. Merge into QA. When we click on the merge button, in the View Studio, we shall get the install index.html HTML will be added to the QA branch. You can see that the plus icon show that the new file added in the QA branch. Now 2 means there are 2 changes and we are merging from dev to QA. Our current branch is QA. I already told that in order to merge from dev to QA, we should change our branch to QA. After that, when we push, commit and push the changes, you will get the index.html merged into the QA branch. Now the index.hello.html is merged into the QA branch. The merging is completed from dev to QA. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior DevOps engineer. In this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks in the Azure and AWS DevOps. Wish you good luck for your career.